Wow. Yeah. Holy shit. These trains are full. This is real train. Yeah. Interesting.
Next to downtown cross.
He announces the stops, huh? They don't have an automated system. Okay, here's our next street. Here's our next station. Look at all the people on this system. Watch how they do. Their doors are closing. They do it like a normal city. They give you 2 sharp tones, and then it goes off. Oh yeah. Let's do one thing, okay. Watch it. See, they just ring the bell and the doors close. That's it. Now the operators here on the MBTA have to announce everything.
Stop by Whiskey's.
We get off on this side.
Hi, kids.
I want to go upstairs.
Let's go up.
Huh? Okay. Look at all the people, man. What happened? What's that? Huh?
Not bad.
Oh. Look at the crowd. Look at some guy with he's got like a light down there, see him? He's waving some kind of a, what is that? He's directing people? What's he doing? Oh, he's telling him when he can close the door. That's what he's doing. Wow. What an operation this is, huh? This is I mean, this is called big city transit, you know. Look at the herd. There goes the herd. Wait, 2 green line. 2 green line over here.
Let's go to Boston County.
Is that here? Oh yeah, but I want. Yeah. Let's go there. First, let's 2 green line. Skip that. Going up. This is a green line up here. This is the trolleys. I want to see a couple trolleys and then we'll go out. I know. I want to. This is the green line that comes around. I want to get a good picture of the green line.
Okay.
Massive people on this transit system. You know, it's just. There's a green line over there. Look at their rail. That's their light rail. That's Boston light rail. See, that's a different kind of train. Boy, it's just packed. Look at all the people on this system. And here comes another train right after that train. Look at that. They come right after each other. Jesus, it's unbelievable. I mean, it's it's like culture shock after I tried to come in here, man. It's like, whoa, what is this place? So this is like New York City type transit. Look at all those people down there. There's like thousands of people down there. There's a camera. Look at that, they got like camera angle. It's fucking overwhelming, really. Every single train is packed. I see some train coming this way. Oh, here comes one. Look at that, look how packed that thing is. God damn. Holy shit. You can't get on that sucker, man. Let's get out of here, it's too hot.